Every journey begins with a single dive.
Here, sunlight dances its final waltz before darkness takes over.
The ribbonfish uses living light to guide its way through the murk.
Belay this point, darkness is not an obstacle. It is home. The Abyssal Plain, Earth's largest hidden world, untouched by sunlight.
With a body like glass, the glassback eel becomes almost invisible.
Even the giants of the deep move with quiet grace.
Life here thrives on fire and minerals, not sunlight.
Some creatures survive by becoming shadows themselves.
But the deep is never still.
The dream whale, the silent guardian of the abyss.
The deep ocean hides wonders beyond imagination.
And many stories still wait to be discovered.